Comark was founded in 1996 and deals with technological systems for traffic and parking applications. We are experts in the design and production of detectors that use different technologies like laser scanner, also known as LiDAR technology, microwave radar, ultrasound, and others. We also develop our own software for the detectors, largely using artificial intelligence algorithms that allows to accurately measure, count, and classify the vehicles traveling on the roads and highways. The quality of the hardware and the advanced performance of our software are appreciated by our customers in Europe, Asia, and South America. We have a large expertise in the LiDAR technology, which is evolving quickly, and we are investing to increase our skills and portfolio on this field. LiDARs are able to make high-speed distance measurement of a surface and to create a high-definition 3D image of objects or vehicles. These images are called point cloud, and our software is able to analyze it and automatically determine the size, type, and speed of vehicles. We never stop research and development with a look to sustainable mobility. The last products developed are designed for cycle lanes, where we provide sensors and displays for pedestrians, bicycle, and e-scooters counting, but also systems to increase the safety of cyclists by warning the drivers about their presence. We have a young, well-prepared team that provides assistance and support to the customers in the various project phases, from installation to configuration. Comark, the heart of traffic detection.